Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to the channel Read with Rizwan. I'm back again with a new video. As you know, we are learning about metals and non-metals. In this video, we will be learning about chemical properties of metals and non-metals. So let's get started. The reactivity of different metals with oxygen is different. Metals like potassium and sodium react vigorously with oxygen and catches fire if kept in open. Hence, they are stored in kerosene to prevent burning. If magnesium is heated, it burns with a bright flames. If iron is heated, it glow brightly. Silver and gold does not react with oxygen even at high temperatures. Some metals like magnesium, aluminium, zinc, lead, etc. form an oxide layer over it which prevents further oxidation. They are called self-protecting metals. Metals react with oxygen to form metallic oxides. These oxides are basic oxides because they react with water to form bases. Non-metals react with oxygen to form non-metallic oxides. These oxides are acidic because they react with water to form acids. Moving on, reaction with waters. Metals react with water to form metal hydroxides and hydrogen. The reactivity of different metals with water is different. Sodium and potassium react violently with cold water to form sodium hydroxide, hydrogen, and catches fire. Metals like aluminium, iron, and zinc react only with steam to form the metal oxides and hydrogen. Metals like lead, copper, silver, and gold do not react with water. Moving on, let us learn about the uses of metals. Metals have been an integral part of our daily life since ancient times. They have played an important part in the development of various civilizations. Iron is the most widely used metal. It is used for making cooking vessels, water boilers, etc. Aluminium, being a very light metal, it is used for making aircraft bodies. Silver is used for making jewelry, decoration pieces, tableware, etc. Gold and silver wires are used for high electrical contacts in computers. Uses of metals and non-metals. You should be able to guess why metals are used in making machinery, automobiles, aeroplanes, trains, satellites, industrial gadgets, cooking utensils, etc. You are also familiar with the uses of some metals. Here are some interesting ones. Non-metal is essential for our life, which all living beings inhale during breathing. Non-metals used in fertilizers to enhance the growth of plants. Non-metal used in water purification process. Non-metal used in the purple colored solution which is applied on wounds as an antiseptic. Non-metals used in crackers. Moving on, as you know that chemical reaction, new substances are formed. These substances are different from those which underwent the reaction. Now if a substance cannot be broken down further by chemical reactions, by cooling, heating, or by electrolysis, it is called element. Sulfur is an element, so is iron. Carbon 2 is an element. The smallest unit of an element is atom. A sample of an element contains only one kind of atom. The atom of an element remains unaffected by physical changes in the element. For example, an atom of the liquid sulfur would be exactly the same as the atom of solid or vapor sulfurs. There are no more than 94 naturally occurring elements. An important classification of elements is in terms of metals and non-metals. Most of the elements are metals, the remaining are either non-metals or metalloids. Metalloids possess character of both metals and non-metals. Here's a quick recap of the lesson. Metals are lustrous whereas non-metals have no luster. Generally, metals are malleable and ductile. Non-metals do not have these properties. Generally, metals are good conductors of heat and electricity, but non-metals are poor conductors. Some metals react with water to produce metal hydroxides and hydrogen gas. Generally, non-metals do not react with water. Some metals react with bases to produce hydrogen gas. More reactive metals displace less reactive metals from their compounds in aqueous solution. Metals and non-metals are used widely in everyday life. Okay, that's it in the video. Hope you have understood properly. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe the channel.